High Point is an Amtrak train station located in High Point, North Carolina. It is served by 3 passenger trains, the Crescent, the Carolinian and the Piedmont. The street address is 100 West High Avenue and is located in the heart of downtown High Point. High Point Station was originally built in 1907 by the Southern Railway and restored by the city between 2002 and 2003. The station also provides Thruway Motorcoach service to Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Broad Avenue Terminal. The adjoining bus terminal, located on the north side of the tracks, is the main hub of the High Point Transit System (HPTS) and terminus for Piedmont Authority for Regional Transportation, Part, bus routes 3, High Point Express, 5, North Carolina Amtrak Connector, and 9, Davidson Business 85 Express. References. External links. Amtrak stations, High Point, North Carolina. High Point Amtrak Station, USA Rail Guide, Train Web. Great American Stations, High Point.